Hello my dear friends, today I am going to show you how to zip a file in Windows 11, and this method is similar to Windows 10 also. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe and liking this video. Without wasting time, let's jump in. First, you need to go to the location of that file you need to make a zip file. In my case, this is the file I need to make a zip file. So what you have to do is just right click on it, and in the Windows 10 you can see the whole menu here, but in the Windows 11 you need to tap on show more options, otherwise it will not be seen. Then after you can see there is option called send to. Just mouse on it, and in this side menu you can see the second option compress zip folder. Just tap on it. Now you can see the folder is created. You can rename this folder as you like. I like to keep it as it is, and this is the icon of the zip file with the small zipper icon. So this is how you can zip a file in Windows 11 and 10. So if you gain some knowledge from this video, please consider subscribe and liking this video.